popular breakfast item in Guyana. It requires frying of the dough until golden brown, and today I will be sharing my recipe to making delicious fluffy fried bakes. To this bowl, I've added 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. After doing that, I'm going to mix all of this in and then add water gradually to bring the dough to a mix. When mixing the dough, your goal here should be to get it as sticky as possible and to also get rid of the dry flour. After you've managed to do that, you can then sprinkle a little bit of flour so that you can get rid of that stickiness and get it to be manageable, as demonstrated in the video. After kneading your dough for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can then choose to cover it with a hand towel or place it in the microwave so that it can rise. In this video, I choose to just put a container over it and then I'm going to leave it. After the dough has been risen, I'm now going to knead it a little bit more and then start rolling it out with my rolling pin, which is usually referred to in Guyana as a belna, and then I'm going to start sectioning out my dough so that I can fry it. When sectioning out your dough, you can either use a round cup or a container so that you can have the nice round doughs for the bakes. When you're rolling your dough out, keep in mind you do not want this to be too thick or thin. What you can do is roll it to just about the same thickness of a pizza dough. This will give you your nice fluffy bakes. After you've sectioned out your bakes, you can have your frying pan heated with oil and then place your bakes into that frying pan and start frying. When frying the bake, you want to continuously pour oil over the top so that you can help it fry faster. After pouring the oil on top of the bake, you want to flip when it is golden brown and then continue frying on the other side until both sides are golden brown. Repeat this step until all of the bakes are done. Now when everything is all done, you can either have your bakes with some nice saltfish and potatoes, eggs, butter, or fried fish. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recipe of frying Guyanese fluffy bake. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.